Okay, this is Nate, and I am making a how-to video for how to make a radio commercial, with the intention that this would be a creative project that kids could write their own commercial and then use some of the utilities on here to create their own. So I'm at cooltoolsforschools.wikispaces.com, and I have gone to, on the left sidebar, I've gone to Audio Tools, and on the Audio Tools page, first thing I did was I downloaded Audacity, which if you click on this link, it'll send you to the Audacity page, and Audacity is a free utility. It's a sound editing software. It's very intuitive. It's very easy to learn. I actually already had it on my computer, but if you need to get it, that's where it is. So first off, I would have kids in a classroom download Audacity or use a computer that had Audacity. And then if you scroll down, one thing that I thought was really cool is a web page called Free Sound, and the link is right here. I actually have it open in another tab. So Free Sound is the web page, and it is an online collection of free sound effects. So what you could do is you could have the kids figure out what kind of a script you would want to put together for your commercial. Say you make a 30-second limit, like commercials on the radio are 30 seconds long. Have them search in the search field up here for whatever sound effect they wanted. So say they wanted a tea kettle, and search for tea kettle sound effect. They have you a whole bunch of different types of sound effects come up. There's a preview of the audio files, and you can actually click for a little preview and it'll play. So that's that's really awful. But then if you like it, you can click on the link. It shows you a bigger version of the audio file, and then you can download for free once you set up an account, which I did already. I set up an account, you log in, it's totally free, you don't have to pay anything, and then you can download all of these files. It'll open up a download box. Most of them are WAV files or MP3s. It kind of depends. So I collected all of those on my desktop over here, and I wrote a little script which is here. So I just wrote what the dialogue was going to say and put in what explosions I would need, and then I went and downloaded them. And then when you go into Audacity, it's a sort of linear audio utility, and basically you can record using the record button here, or you can import if you go to File, Import, Audio. This is the desktop, and this is where I have my grenade and my flyby, and well, you'll have to hear how ridiculous my commercial turned out to be. My rocket launch and my sad trombone sound effects, all of which I downloaded from that site. And then you kind of string together, and you can manipulate the files in different ways. And this would take a little bit of instruction to get used to, but it's pretty intuitive. I figured it out mostly just by putzing away with it. And yeah, so once you get it all strung together the right way, if you go to the beginning and click play, I don't know if it'll record the sound. Let me see how this works. Once you click play, it'll show you the. Okay, so that's a little preview of my commercial. I bet it's not picking up except through my microphone. So what I'll do is I'll upload my audio commercial. But once you get that all together, you can go to you can save the project file so that you can work on it in the future. And then if you want to export it, you go to export, and it'll let you pick what type of file you want to export it as. MP3s obviously are pretty common, and then you would save that down. So I called mine Rocket Coffee. It was a commercial for high octane coffee. And so I'll upload that to somewhere. But that's my little breakdown of Audacity, which is a fantastic tool, and freesound.org, all of which I found through the Cool Tools for Schools audio tools webpage. So that's my demonstration. What did we call this again?